And here we are, mate, on the riverbanks of Mughling, Nepal, about to set off on a 4-day expedition in kayaks. We've got food, water, beer, everything we need, all going onto the raft. We're going down this for 4 days, mate. Sleeping in tents, pulling up on the riverbank, camping out. Absolutely glorious. It's about 36, 37 degrees today, it's scorching. And off we go, mate. There's the boat loaded up. We've got 4 of us on the kayaks, 5 people on the boat with the supplies. And we're off, mate. Everyone's on the water, we're all loaded up.
Okay, so we use sign language. Sign language, this means follow me, follow my line. Follow me, follow my line, yeah? Okay. So I give you this, try to go left. Try to go right. Yeah? Try to come fast. This means stop. Stop on the left, stop on the right. The thing is, try to control your boat, okay? Don't let the boat control you. That's very important, okay? Alright.
So we're just taking a rest, letting the river take us for a couple of minutes.
Yo, man!
Let the big boat catch up. Good stuff. Well, I'm coming up to some pretty serious rapids now, bricking it a little bit.
Alright, man, Jack, good luck, man.
Good luck, bro. Let's go. So basically just got to let the water take you and just use your oars to keep your nose straight. But mate, I tell you, panic sets in. It's so hard to stay calm when you feel like you're going to fall in the water. Yeah, man. So that was a +2 grade rapid apparently, which I don't know what that means, but it's better than a +1. Another achievement unlocked, mate. +2 rapids on a kayak. I tell you, mate, it looks quite easy when you see people doing this. Like, it's actually very, very difficult. It's pretty extreme. It's pretty dangerous. And it is serious exercise, man. Here we go, we've got some fast rapids coming up now. He said the waves ain't too big, but they're moving fast. Keep it straight, mate. That's the golden rule. If you forget everything else, just keep that nose pointed straight. It's honestly scary, mate, I tell you, this activity. Flip over, smash your head on a rock, going home early, ain't ya? Alright, let's go. Savage. Got pulled under the water then for a good 5 seconds. So we're now looking for somewhere to camp for the night. Before it gets too dark, set up the tent, set up our dinner. Land ahoy, mate. Proper windy. Firewood search. Found my bit. Cooking on the open fire tonight. Oh, look at this. That's what you want, mate. Dry as a bone. Yeah. Well earned beer. Natural fridge. So this is my humble abode for the evening. We just had a downpour, full of water inside. But yeah, man. Just setting up our tents. Toilet over there. Got the kitchen on the go over here. Rice and lentils cooking. Proper camping, mate. That tent I've got is not waterproof. It just rained and it just all dribbles down the sidewall inside and pulls up with water, so I've got a little plate in there to bail out the water. But yeah, man, this is us for the night. We'll set off in the morning further downstream.
여분 왜 산다니? 지금도 안 오해? 늦어 보내야 된다는 거야. Thank you. केजीको होइन भने किन चलाउँदै किन लगेर सधैँ प्लिज चलाउँछु भने लगेर
दिएको होइन केटालाई 1 वर्षसम्म नमागेको कहाँ पुग्यो दाइ थाहा छ फेसबुकमा देखेँ मैले ओ यो त मेरो गाईको भने